Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 6th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, today is non-farm payroll, normally a really big news event for sure, so we would expect to see some nice moves. The trend is definitely up still, and we cannot deny the fact the trend is up. I do not disagree that it looks like it potentially could go down, especially with the five-way pattern we got up. Maybe what's going to happen is it's going to go down, break structure, and then maybe sometime next week it'll make a pullback to this last move up and then continue the uptrend from there. The only problem with this analysis is that the trend is up on all the higher time frames. It could literally just go down, grab liquidity, and just continue the higher time frame uptrend. So definitely be a little bit cautious with your counter trend trades because every single higher time frame is in a uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the whole last push up, which definitely does look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 way pattern. So I would definitely be looking at this move down potentially as being just a pullback to the last 5 waves up. So if we get a nice Fibonacci bounce, then I definitely would take it as a long. On the other hand, if price does go down and give us that break of structure I was talking about on the daily, then I would start looking for sorts after the break of structure. For me personally, I would wait for it to break structure and then I would wait patiently for it to make a three-way pullback in order to go short. Because oftentimes during these big news events, price will go down, break structure, everybody will go short, and then it'll reject structure and just continue the higher time frame uptrend. So at least if you wait for the break of structure and wait for the three-way pullback, then that will be a much safer option. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.